Grapples are designed to help an excavator pick up, move, and sort materials. There is a wide variety of grapples used for specific applications, such as demolition, scrap, and rock handling, forestry, and land clearing. That's why grapples are a staple on many job sites. The challenging part is picking the right grapple for the job. Job requirements. You'll first want to determine specifically what you need the grapple to do. Of course, you'll want to focus on the job at hand, but if you select the right grapple, you'll be able to use it on multiple jobs, increasing your productivity and saving you money. Jaws. A grapple is made of two jaws mounted onto the frame of the equipment's main body, and there are generally two types. When the lower jaw remains stationary while the upper jaw operates off the bucket cylinder. Its simpler design is less expensive and requires lower maintenance. With the second, a more popular higher-cost version, it utilizes jaws that move simultaneously and is powered by 2 to 4 connected lines. Hydraulic or mechanical? Do you need a hydraulic or mechanical grapple? Well, there's advantages to each. Hydraulic grapples. A hydraulic grapple acquires its energy from the excavator. The hydraulic circuit of the machine uses power to operate the grapple. This type of grapple has up to 180 degrees of movement and is best where precision is critical to the job. Mechanical grapples. With mechanical grapples, the excavator bucket cylinder drives the mechanical grapple. Opening the bucket cylinder opens the grapple, and on the contrary, closing the bucket cylinder closes the grapple. The simple design, a stiff arm attached to the excavator's dipper arm, makes mechanical grapples low maintenance. There are fewer points of failure compared to the hydraulic grapple. For this reason, mechanical grapples are ideal for the big jobs that require less precision.
Now, before we continue, be sure to crush the like button and subscribe to E&C to receive more heavy equipment guides. We do appreciate your support.
Application area. Which grapple is suited for which job? Well, each type of grapple brings its own advantages to the job site. Demolition and sorting grapples. The most versatile grapple, capable of picking up large material, can create and pick up debris. Log grapples, ideal for forestry, can pick up long or full-length timber, able to pick up large or small bundles. Orange peel grapples, ideal for material handling, ideal for picking up loose scrap, and they can have 360-degree rotation. Narrow tine grapples, they have skinny tines, they can pick up soft scrap, can dig into scrap easier than the orange peel grapple. Specifications. While selecting a grapple, we recommend checking manufacturers' websites where they list specifications for their products. Here's a great example from mbcrusher.com for the MB G1200 S4 grapple. Recommended excavator. This is based on your excavator's weight handling capacity. The MBG900 is recommended for a range between 26,500 and 39,700 pounds. Weight. This is the weight of the grapple. You'll need to deduct this weight from the maximum amount you'll be able to lift when the grapple is attached. The MBG900 weighs 1,720 pounds. Load capacity. This is the max capacity with the jaws closed. The MBG900 handles 15 cubic feet. Rotation. This is how far the grapple will rotate. The MBG900 is capable of rotating a full 360 degrees. Flow direction. The MBG900 is rated at 4 to 8 gallons per minute. Pressure of rotation. The MBG900 is rated at less than 2,321 pounds per square inch. Pressure. The specs will identify the amount of pressure exerted by the grapple when the jaws are open and when they're closed. The MBG900 is 2,900 psi open and 5,802 psi closed. Grapple installation. Installing a hydraulic grapple is pretty straightforward. First, hitch on the equipment. Second, connect the hydraulic lines. And third, lock the pins in place. And remember, you'll want to double check that the grapple, the hydraulic lines, and the pins are firmly in place before you start the job. Grapple kits. Grapple kits allow you to get more out of your grapple. For example, a rotation power extension kit magnifies the rotation strength of your grapple so you can more easily move heavy material. MB Crusher's rotation power extender sits on the top part of your grapple. They're specifically designed for the MB grapple models. Using grapple kits gives you more flexibility to handle multiple tasks and use the same equipment for different projects. In the end, the best grapple is the one that will meet your job requirements now and in the future. We'd like to thank our sponsor for this video, MB Crusher. For over 20 years, MB has been offering the largest line of patented crusher buckets and accessories for excavators, skid loaders, and backhoes of all sizes.
Stay tuned for more heavy equipment guides. Also, you can view our complete list of guides at encmag.com. That's EANDCMAG.com.